In Greece, there is a mountain made of thousands of life vests. It's so secretive that no one knows about this mountain. Where is this? How did it happen? And who wore these vests?
That's crazy. Oh my god.
This is one of the books! When I was in Greece, I became friends with Syrian refugees. You know, the people who came to Europe to escape the war in Syria. One of them told me that there is a place in Greece with so many life vests that it made a mountain. Honestly, I thought this was fake news, but still, I went searching for it.
All right. Hello from the Greek islands.
I started with the coast. It's where millions of refugees landed in Europe for the first time ever. And you can see the evidence of that all over this beach.
Oh my god.
You can see discarded plastic bottles and even something that looked like a human bone.
من الدكتور قول لي.
يا اخي ولا هي عظمة ولد صغير. بعرفش.
يعني شكل عظمة مستحيل يكون عظمة.
بعرفش.
We did not know if this belonged to a human or an animal, but it didn't matter. Thousands of people died on this dangerous journey, and many lost their lives. At the coast, we did not find the mountain, so we continued the search. Based on another tip, we drove to this farm, but we found nothing but sheep.
Oh my god, hold on.
Oh, you're so cute!
Whoa!
And the vest mountain was not real. We were running out of daylight and energy, so we made one last push. We drove to the other edge of the island.
Hello from the Greek island of Lesbos.
It was a beautiful place. There, someone said we should go to the top of the hill. So we rushed there before it got dark, and lo and behold, the vast mountain was real. Thousands of discarded vests. Each one came from refugees who took a boat in the middle of the night to escape war and land in Europe, seeking a new life. Human rights organizations welcomed them and collected their life vests and dumped them here. This gives you an idea of how terrible the situation is. For every one life vest here, there is another in the middle of the ocean where thousands of refugees died on the way. This mountain is hard to find and no one is talking about it. But we should never forget this mountain. We should never forget this human suffering, because everyone deserves a chance for a better life, and it's your responsibility and mine to give people a life vest. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.